forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. Kipetwe Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by the Zulu boy.
Stibo Bram. Ngiyaphila ngicela uku-addressa something quickly.
Address it quick.
Yeah, kinya kushapa ka speed.
Isharp.
Ntwe ya balandeli ba Pirate hore bari biza ka lamthuthu ake right ntwe ayishap
badelela baba
watsiba kamkho abayibulela kakona mfethu yenza phili bebuhluku yahlaba ake right abastop
or what yeah
Hlobati
guy
Hlobati mara ke look Steve yeah asingene gaming I think last Sunday ngithe kuwe Chiefs there's something that is doing
yes.
And namhlanje kubonakele even though game first half it was boring it was very boring because ngicabanga ukuthi abadlali they were not applying themselves ngalendlela efuna ngakhona but I think we are going where we want to be njengamanje sihleli phezulu noma bekwenzakala sihleli phezulu
Pirates idrowile
udlala 1-1 so thina seyihlele phezulu
iSundowns liyahlaba
Saturday sobe sila sizoyinika nje no 1-0
nje
phela asizoyinika into eningi 1-0
izobahlaba le
yeah phela that's it
thank you baba
thank you very much
yeah sure Zulu uphinde ubuye